Hey guys, welcome to Blinkzdl FX. So today we are going to be talking about the analysis for XAUUSD for this week. Now, basically this week as of Monday, we have started this week bullish because we are just breaking out from this zone, which is around 346.511. So it has been really messy around that place because price has been rejecting it, but since gold has broken from a very strong resistance, it will want to still continue pushing higher. But for now, this is what the week is going to tell us, which is bullish. But we are going to scale down to the smaller time frames to be able to catch smaller entries. So I'm going to do that in a jiffy. But first of all, I want to show you guys the psychological level that we are at right now. So I think we are at 35365 36500, sorry, 36500. So don't mind the screen. I really want to make this video fast, so we'll just put 36555. So let's see. Okay, no, so we really need to set that well. Let me use the horizontal tool to make it faster for us. So 3500. Okay, so we'll just simply add an horizontal line. Okay, so after adding the horizontal line, we just need to clear the 2 digits and add 00 to it. So yeah, here we go. Our number has been snapped. So right now, this is where gold is aiming at. It's not really there, but this is the psychological level I think price is at now. So psychological level is simply a round number that helps to helps traders to know where price is going to head next. So for now, that psychological level will be our resistance. You understand? So price is being resisted at that zone. Price it will not be able to break, but I don't know what is going to happen. But though I see that price is going to resist there. So you can see price is pushing down with high momentum. So that is a good sign that price is going to retrace a bit before continuing lower. So you can see a very good print here, and for my expectation, I think price is already printing what I'm about to see. So let's scale lower to be able to understand what price is really telling us. As we all know, price always tells us a story. Price always tells us a story. So as you can see, we are having a downtrend preparing to push. We have not yet seen a confirmation, but what I see now for now is a downtrend. So that is what we will be doing on Tuesday, which is today, because by the time I'm doing this video, I think this is already the next day. All right, so as you can see, I'm just waiting for a particular market structure shift on the 30-minute time frame. So once I see the market structure shift, I will now be waiting for an entry. So I will simply show you guys how I enter based on sales. So what caused the market structure shift is what will be my entry. So this is where I will be entering the market from if the market is able to print us a sell signal. All right, so this is where we'll be it, and you can see that is an engulfing, a bearish engulfing. So let me simply just show you guys the way I'm going to expect this trade. So we want to see a displacement down and a retracement back to that zone. That is where we'll be selling off from to at least this fair value gap or this demand zone before we can see another buy entry. So I can just set my orders here to be expecting what price is going to give to us. Okay, so this is just going to be my point of interest. All right, so my stop loss is just above this zone, this psychological level. You can see our stop loss is very big, but based on what we understand that the price is going to give us, but it's worth taking the risk. So our stop loss will be something here, but note, this is just my point of interest. I'm not really going to take the trade because of the stop loss is very wide. You understand? So always take precaution of your stop losses. Don't always make your stop losses wide. I'm also going to refine this trade to the smaller time frame once I want to enter this trade. What I'm doing is to show you guys exactly how this trade is playing out. So as you can see on the 5-minute time frame, you can see there's liquidity building up. Liquidity is building up. So after the liquidity, we want to see what the AMD also surfacing itself. Now we are in the accumulation stage. Once the accumulation stage is done, then we want to see what manipulation, distribution, then distribution. So that's it, guys. Once I've analyzed this trade, I will be refining my stop loss, I think somewhere lower. You understand? Because we don't want to see something that will take out all our account balance, because that is not what we really want for ourselves. So like I said, since we have marked out the zone, we can refine to the smaller time frame. And as you can see, once I have refined to the smaller time frame, I will see what really caused the displacement. And I'm also seeing a smaller order block here that caused the displacement to the downside. So this is what I think will cause the market structure shift, because it has not yet been mitigated. So I want price to come back to this zone. Okay, after the displacement, I want price to now start selling to the downside. Now at this point, I just want to do this so that most of you might not go and make the mistake of selling with that big stop loss. So this is how I will set this trade. So I will just reduce my stop loss to the invalidation zone, and the next TP will be at the fair value gap. So I will just go back to the 15-minute time frame to be able to see where I'm expecting price to get out. Some people might be thinking that, well, my target is very far. Well, I usually have different targets, and this is just the weekly target. You should know that what I'm saying, that's what I'm saying. I'm not talking about just today's target. Okay, so it's not just about today's target. This is what I'm saying for this week. Actually, this week is going to really be based on sales. After this buy, I'm not sure gold is going to sell, is going to buy for now, because the only thing I might make go to buy it, I may be from the PPI news that is going to come out by Wednesday. So maybe if the PPI news comes out, then we will be looking forward to see what gold's going to give us. So for now, we are going to see sales just pushing on. So our first TP can just be simply in this point, because we're having some other liquidity zones. You can see 5. Price must certainly give us 5 risk to reward. Okay, so I'm targeting 10, but I just put it here for the sake of people that are watching this video. You can just target 5, because this place is also a liquidity, an internal liquidity. Okay, so you can see that it's an internal liquidity. You can see other liquidity zones also at this point. You can see liquidity zones at this point. So these are some of the liquidity zones. Let me just mark that out. So we have one here, we have this one, we also have the fair value gap. Is somewhere for price to always come back to. So if you have gained value from this video, subscribe to this video, like and share this video, and also don't forget to join the Telegram and WhatsApp group, link in the description. See you guys.